What is the Akita's relationship with water? The Akita is a breed of large dog known for its loyal and protective nature. Originating from Japan, Akitas have been selectively bred for centuries to become the strong and majestic dogs we see today. While their main role was initially that of a hunting dog, Akitas also became renowned for their incredible swimming ability. Many dog breeds have a natural affinity towards water, but when it comes to Akitas, their relationship with water is a bit more complex. Unlike Labrador Retrievers or Newfoundlands, Akitas are not known for their love of swimming or playing in the water. However, that does not mean they cannot swim or do not enjoy the water in their own way. One important factor that contributes to the Akita's relationship with water is their dense and waterproof coat. Akitas have a double coat that consists of a soft and thick undercoat and a harsh and straight outer coat. This double coat helps them stay warm and dry in water, making swimming easier for them. The water-resistant quality of their fur allows Akitas to enjoy swimming without feeling weighed down or cold. Another aspect to consider is the Akita's temperament. Akitas are known to be independent and self-assured, which can make them less eager to participate in activities that they do not see as necessary or enjoyable. While some Akitas may enjoy swimming and willingly explore bodies of water, others may prefer to stay dry on land. However, it is important to note that Akitas are highly intelligent dogs that can be trained to swim if introduced to water in a positive and controlled environment from an early age. Like any other training, it requires patience, consistency, and positive reinforcement. Gradually introducing an Akita to water and teaching them basic swimming techniques can help them overcome any initial hesitation or fear. One of the main reasons Akitas have been selectively bred to be able to swim is their historical connection to hunting. In Japan, Akitas were utilized for bear hunting, and their swimming skills were essential for this purpose. Akitas would track and corner bears near bodies of water, and their swimming ability allowed them to retrieve fallen prey from lakes or rivers. This hunting background explains why some Akitas still possess an instinctual ability to swim. It's also worth mentioning that despite Akitas not being natural water lovers, they tend to have a fascination with rain. Akitas often find joy in watching raindrops fall, and some have even been observed rolling around in puddles or standing in the rain. This peculiar behavior suggests that their connection to water might not be limited to swimming alone. In conclusion, the Akita's relationship with water is not as straightforward as some other water-loving breeds. While they may not be known for their enthusiasm towards swimming, Akitas can still swim and enjoy water-related activities if properly introduced and trained. Their dense and waterproof coat, combined with their historical hunting background, contributes to their ability to swim. Understanding and respecting the individual preferences of Akitas is crucial in ensuring a positive and enjoyable experience with water.